All right, I just want to explain this speaker repair that I've done. So on the back of the cone, what I like to do is I like to take paper towel. I use Bounty, the quicker picker-upper, and it's 2 plies. So I take one of the plies off, peel it apart, and then I dip it in diluted Elmer's glue. You just take the Elmer's glue and I put water in there, and then I just place it over the tear, you know. And this is a really great way to repair speakers. It's like paper mache. You know, it's a really solid, hard, you know, and very durable, lightweight, doesn't weigh the speaker down repair. And it's just, you know, probably lasts longer than the speaker itself, but it's a really solid repair. And then on the front, you know, I got the dope, that, you know, speaker repair dope. It's, you know, the glue that you use for the dust cap. But I just reinforced the crack or the tear with the dope. And this is like, you know, it's not wet, and it's, you know, it's kind of hard. It's like nail polish, and it just does a great job. And this is, you know, just like new. Pushing down on the speaker here, there's no scrape. I mean, it's really, and it sounds better than most of a lot of my speakers that have no repairs. And I have a lot of speakers. They're all up here. But they're repaired. I'm just selling this because I've got lots of them. I don't need this one. So anyway, that's how I did it. Sounds great. Okay, so this video is to show you that even though a speaker can be unattractive, it can sound pretty good. So I've got my Stratocaster here. I've got a Fender Bassman. I've got some Roach clips. And, you know, basically I'm just going to hear, you guys want to hear how this sounds, don't you? Don't you? So I'm going to lean you up against my, I hope you can see that. Okay, here we go. Ready? Sounds perfect.